Hello, it's Mandy here. Today I'm creating a beach themed card for this cute little girl, and the stamp set I'm using today is called Let Your Hair Down. I started off by using fossilized amber and sponged some onto my card. I just put down some post-it tape to give me a straight line for a horizon, and then I put a mask of paper down in the shape of a circle so that I can create a sun, and I sponged some spice marmalade around the paper circle. Then I'm going in with candied apple around the edges of the card. Then I removed the tape and put some clean tape over the ink, and then I'm using broken china to create the sea colour. Then to create the sand, I'm using antique linen. You can see I'm using scraps of card just to put on the card while I ink, because it leaves fingerprints if you touch the card because the ink is still wet. Then I just tore a piece of card to create a jagged line, and then I'm sponging that over to create a jagged line on the sand. Then I took some white acrylic paint and I'm just creating some waves in the sea with a small paintbrush. I rub that in so that the paint is quite light. Then I put two little seagulls in the sky. I dried that with my heat tool. Then I added the girl that I coloured with my watercolour markers, and then I cut up the sentiment and glued that down to the card. Then I put it onto a white card base to finish. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!